So if you're in the market for a KA under £4,000, this has got to be the best car you can buy right now. 2 owners from new, under 70,000 miles. Cambelt and water pump was done last year. Previous keeper had this virtually from new, so she's had it virtually its whole life. Car presents very well, just had service and MOT. Paintwork corrections all been done. The car looks very shiny, which you don't see on this age of car anymore. We just spent a load of money getting all that done. Presents, as I said, very, very well. Great car for somebody. Cheap road tax, great fuel economy, all the normal bits and pieces on these cars. So, sorry, being distracted by another Boots man waving at me. Thanks. So yeah, let me walk around the car and we can see what you're buying. So I hope you'll agree, car looks incredibly shiny. Our friend Sean has done a great job on this. You can see all the reflections in the paintwork. There's hardly any scratches or marks on this car, to be honest. There is a couple which I'll come back to in a second, but nothing major at all. Car is just a great little car for somebody. And as I said, provenance and everything on this car is just phenomenal. It's just started raining, which is great. Yeah, provenance is fantastic. This is a Zetec model, so you've got heated front screen, air conditioning. It's got a CD player, which I'll show you in a second if you're after playing some old school CDs, which the previous owner was. But as you can see, car presents exceptionally well. The only major bit on the car is we've got a little bit of a mark on the wing down here, and that just follows onto a scuff down there. But the rest of the car, as I said, presents exceptionally well. And on the inside, we've got cloth seats, which have stood the test of time. That's a very difficult sentence to say. Exceptionally well. And then center console there with. So there you go. What is probably the best KA for sale in the market right now at sub £4,000. Just to recap, 2 owners from new, under 70,000 miles, MOT, service, paintwork correction, everything ready to go. The video itself does the car justice. It is a phenomenal car for the money. I think I'm going to price it at around £3,500, which in the marketplace makes it exceptional value. We can do finance, part exchange, warranty comes with the car as well. So you've got 6 months warranty on the car, 12 months A cover, nationwide delivery if you need it, obviously with an associated cost, which is ridiculous at the moment because the fuel prices. Don't blame us, blame Donald Trump. Yeah, great car for somebody to buy. Look forward to selling it to somebody very soon. I'm sure this will get snapped up very quickly. So don't hang about and make that inquiry.